Look at you, Isabella. You can do it, baby. You want to go up or you want to go back down? There you go. Hold on to the little holes. Hey there. You can do it, baby. Down, right there. Good job. Now put your arm down one. Reach down. Keep going. Right there. Now bring your arm down. There you go. Look at you. Yay! You went up and down a little bit. Good job. And there's Anya Bear. And the sun's kind of doing something. Hold on.